How to prevent grass moss from growing between pavers. Newly installed pavers have a distinctive look, but once moss and grass start growing between the pavers, the wow effect is gone. Whether your pavers are brick or cement, the way to get rid of grass and moss is the same. It's much easier to get rid of these undesired elements when they first appear. Things you'll need: flat screwdriver or narrow putty knife, safety glasses, spray bottle, bleach, garden lime, zinc sulfate. Dig between the pavers with a flat-edged screwdriver or a putty knife. Use the sharp edge to reach the roots of the grass and loosen the moss. Dig the moss out and remove the grass and its roots. Dig an inch around the outer edge to prevent the grass from creeping in. This is the easiest and most effective way to get rid of both grass and moss. If you keep on top of it, you'll only need to do it a couple of times each season. Spraying the pavers with an equal solution of bleach and water will kill the moss and grass. Wear safety glasses and use caution to avoid overspraying onto areas that you don't want to kill. Fill a cup with garden lime and gently sprinkle it between the pavers, which will kill the moss in a couple of days. This has the side effect of making the grass lush, so this choice is best only if moss is all that's growing between the pavers. Zinc sulfate, available in garden centers, quickly kills moss but is not an option for the environmentally conscious.